If you have a SaaS or you plan to develop a SaaS, I definitely recommend that you check out Transaction Cloud. It's an all-in-one solution for SaaS payment management. It's a system where you can implement it on your SaaS and start taking payments globally, have invoicing, automatic tax calculation, affiliate management, and much more. So stick around for this video and let's go check it out. Transaction Cloud is a payment solution for SaaS, and once you implement this, you'll get access to take payment gateways from Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and other payment gateways from around the world. Plus, you get easy invoicing for your clients. Easy invoicing are the other way around. So just take, for example, your taxes from your country. Instead of getting a bunch of transactions from all the subscriptions that you have or one-time payments, you're gonna get one invoice if that's what you need. So it's more easier to do your taxes in your country. Now, in terms of compliance with taxes in other countries, well, they take care of it and they take full responsibility for it. Now, I like the system because it's super easy to implement and get started. Now, once you jump into Transaction Cloud in the link that I provide in the description, I do recommend that you check out Why Us, because it's gonna help you understand why this is a good solution, and they only take a small percentage of the payments to obviously take care of all this for you. Now, with this system, you'll get access to 20 different card types from around the world, access to major paying wallets, for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. And you also get no-code affiliate management and payouts. So you get an affiliate system, plus they'll take care of the payouts for you. So imagine that. That's a whole lot of hours saved each month. You get also transparent and attractive pricing, eliminate your tax liability. So for example, they take full responsibility for this. Now take for example, Stripe that doesn't take responsibility for tax calculations. And in this case, they do with Transaction Cloud. You get one integration for all features. Now, do jump into this page and check it out. Convince yourself, don't take my word for it. And let's go check out the actual platform. Now, to get started, it's actually pretty easy, especially if you're developing a SaaS. Implementing this is a super easy code to implement on the sales page and the invoicing system for each client. So they'll even provide that for you. Plus, you also have the option to use their webhook system in case you want to implement your own transaction panel. But you don't have to do so, but they'll provide the option for you. Now, to get started, go into products and you can create the products here. So for example, in the plans section of your pricing tables, obviously you have plans created. You have recurring billing options, you have one-time payment options, and you have vaulted subscription products. So for the monthly, yearly, etc., you can create the product here really easily. Let me jump into one of these and you can name it, create a product description, the product type. If it's gonna be daily, weekly, monthly, half year, or annually, just select it here. If there's a free trial for this, the product prices, you only have to set up the USD and it'll automatically generate for the rest of the currency. But if you want to do it manually, you can do so here. There's the invoicing info for this. There's a special link for it. Navigation after transaction. So after transaction has been made, well, you get a special link for this, obviously to tie it with your SaaS. Embedded product on your page. Like I said, it's an easy code to embed. Especially if you're developing a SaaS, you know that this is easy, okay? So that's for the monthly system, okay? And again, one-time payment, it's similar. And for the vaulted subscription products, this means it's a variable pricing. What does that mean? It might be based on the gigabytes that someone is using, the amount of licenses, etc. You'll use the vaulted subscription products option. So you get access to this. So you create it here so you can implement it on your SaaS. And once you set that up and everything is a breeze, okay? You get the statistics for this. So for example, if you got reports for this, the access up to 10K, subscriptions, refunds, sales, one-time payments, and you can see it on date range and grouped by daily, monthly, and yearly. You got your transactions panel here. For example, if you need to view something, if you need to refund a user, or if you need to provide support, well, you have access to this. So for example, in this case, I'm viewing this particular subscription and I'm viewing the customer's name, the email, the product, the coupon, that if they used one, the charge, was it credit card, and when was it created, the next charge date, and we can cancel the subscription, clients manage subscription preview, and you can edit the email from here. Also, we can view the invoice for this and we can refund it if we like. So there's an invoice created here and you can view it, well, really easily, okay? Again, we can go to transactions and view all the transactions here. Use the filters for this to find it really easily. You can view the status, active, paid, canceled. Maybe there's a refunded here, no refunded one, but you can view it. It'll say refunded if it's been. The payouts, so you can view the bank payouts here. You can export CSV if you like. You can generate coupons in the system. So like they mentioned, it's an all-in-one management system for payouts, for payments. The coupon, super easy to create. Create a name, the discount for it, for all the products or access to specific product. Validation dates range. So if the coupon is only valid for a month or a year, specific date range for, let's just say, a Christmas coupon, a Black Friday coupon, well, just select it there. And there's the affiliate marketing system. So it's super easy to implement this. So for example, just generate the name for it. So if you want to change the program name, you can do so here. Add new pages if you like. And then we go into affiliates. Now, affiliates can sign up by using this link. Let me show you really quickly. They can sign up here and they'll get, for example, in this case, it was generated for a 10% commission, but you could change this if you like for a different percentage, or you can invite an affiliate manually. So if you can invite them by email and the commission, they will get manually. For example, if you know a certain affiliate, well, you can contact him directly, him or her, and they can start with a different commission than the one set up. The API setup, so obviously you get a setup for this. The documentation center, everything's gonna be here that you're going to need to implement all of this. And like I said before, you get access to webhook URL in case you wanna send data via webhook. If you wanna create your own database, if you wanna create your own client's management system, you can do so here by implementing the data manually. You don't have to do it, but they'll give you the option if you like. You have the settings for this and the admin plugin tool. So in this section, people will be able to view their own invoices and systems once you implement this. So for example, this is the access from an invoice that was created. People can view this. So you can see it looks nice, it's modern. They can cancel, they can set a user email. They have the invoice here and the payment method that was used. So you can implement this on the client's side, okay? You have your integrations for Google Analytics 4. And once you have all this set up, obviously the dashboard, the main view is going to give you all this overall information that's super easy to use and view. So you get all this information to start, well, managing your business. Now, one of the cool features that Transaction Cloud has, like I mentioned before, is that you can get one invoice for your transactions weekly, monthly, etc. Instead of getting a bunch of tiny invoices and payments, that's a lot to deal with if you're doing taxes. Instead, you'll get one invoice that makes things much more easier to do taxes in your country. But that is Transaction Cloud. Like I said before, I do recommend that you head on over to the link in the description, head on over to Why Us, because you're gonna see for yourself why this is a good idea. And talk to them, sign up. And they also have as of this video, a 0% fees for startups for sales up to $10,000. So do take advantage of that if you're just starting out. So that is Transaction Cloud, and that's a wrap.